दीपिका का दीवाना हूँ, ट्रिपल एक्स का कोई दीवाना नहीं हूँ। मैं दीपिका को विश करने आया हूँ। एक्शन फिल्में और मैं तो जाती ही नहीं, लेकिन दीपिका को लाइफ साइज होर्डिंग्स में मैं देख के आया हूँ इन न्यूयॉर्क। बहुत प्राउड फीलिंग थी और प्रोमो बहुत एक्साइटिंग लग रहा है फिल्म का। एक्शन बहुत ही, मैं इंटरनेशनल लेवल का कहने वाला था, लेकिन इंटरनेशनल फिल्म ही है ये। तो दीपिका को देखकर बहुत खुशी हुई है और बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ एंड आई रियली गोइंग टू सी द फिल्म ऑन द वीकेंड। तो बिल्कुल सब फ्राइडेज ओके जानो देखें और शाम को ये जाके देख लें या वैसा वैसा जो भी हो। आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड। हाँ, मेरा भी गला खराब है, चलो दोनों का गला खराब है। I think we should be very proud that they're doing some tremendous work out of the country. Both Priyanka and Deepika have achieved so much already. I think it's fantastic. We should celebrate that our talent is walking the talk across the country and the world. And it's great. I don't know about global domination or anything to do with that. All I can say is that I'm very proud our actors are all over the world.
Your book is also being hugely celebrated right now, and it's going to be out very soon. How excited or nervous are you about it at this point?
Well, I suggest we launch it on the 16th, and once it's out, I hope everyone reads it and experiences what I have.
I know it's past censors though, that's a good sign. Yes sir. I haven't watched any of them. मैं सिर्फ दीपिका के लिए आई हूँ। मैं बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ उसको देखने। मैंने तो हराम खोर देखी है, बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट फिल्म है, तो मैं बोलूँगी हराम खोर देखना चाहिए। ओके जानो अभी तक देखी नहीं, बट सिनेमा में जाकर देखूँगी और ये फिल्म देखने के बाद मैं बताऊँगी। बर्थडे, हाँ मैंने डांस किया सुबह तक। थैंक यू।
So this feels pretty damn good. Oh, I'm so excited for the release. It's so nice to know that tomorrow night people can actually go out and see the movie. Usually the premieres are not this close to when you can actually go see the movie, so it has an extra sense of excitement. What can I say? I don't know any Hindi. Thank you.
How has the reception in India been so far?
It's been amazing. Like I said, I feel like we're more at a rock concert, and what's really nice is as excited everybody is. There's a real kind of endearing love and like a real sort of chemistry. Like people really care. They get super excited, but at the same time, there's a real sort of reverence they have towards Deepika and Vin. So it's very nice.
Did you know Deepika was such a big star in India? Are you like even more?
Well, I kind of knew, but now I really know. And as the course of the movie went across and I became friends with a lot of her fans, it was exciting for me because I felt like I wanted to do her right and I wanted to do justice for her. And so it was really important for me to connect with her fans and understand how popular she really is.
How did you find dancing in Hindi
found her dancing very great. I think she's very athletic. I think she's incredibly sexy and beautiful. And we talked about putting some dancing into the next XXX, so we're going to try to do that if we get a chance. Is that the long? Yeah. Oh yes, of course I've seen it. It's very good. Very good. Thank you. Yes, sir. Thank you. Thank you, guys.
Last week, and they were so excited about Mexico, and all of us were excited about Mexico, and I had an amazing time. I'd never been there before. The fans were amazing, but I had a little thought in my head, and I was like, I know we can do better than this. And so I feel so happy that and all of you have been so amazing. The fans have been amazing. I think we surpassed, it's not that they didn't expect it, they did expect it, but I think we've surpassed even that. And just the way, I think everyone's put their best foot forward to welcome our guests. The warm welcome in India, in Mumbai when we landed, the girls, the dhols were being played and the girls gave us this traditional warm welcome. And I could see that they literally had a goosebump moment, and they've been on their phones the whole day because their families are calling them, and they're so excited that they saw them in Indian clothes. And so don't tell them I told you this, but
It also made them dance not just to your tune but even to Bollywood tune, to Lungi dance as well. So how did you manage?
I think they were in shock. Ben was like, what is this piece of fabric? I was like, I think we're not explained to him what it was. Maybe tonight at dinner or something I'll explain to him what it is. But he's been so sporting and he's so much fun. And so I hope now that everything I used to say about him, I think it kind of adds up. I used to say that he's really warm and an amazing person, and I'm sure all of you can see that now. Well, unfortunately, it's not that type of trip this year. Yes, I'm hosting him, but I'm hosting him because he's come to our home. He is in India, and the same way all of us are hosting him. But this time, it's not that type of visit where I can take him out. It's really, I think this time our focus is really our fans and the media, and just to share this experience with everyone because it's been such an incredible experience. I don't even think we have much time to do anything else other than just the premiere, and I think even tonight after this we just have a very small gathering and just a get together of I think the team, the very close team, just because a lot of them have worked on the film but never really met us. So just to sit down and have an intimate, quiet moment with everyone, and that's about it. And then I think tomorrow we have some interviews. Your voice is also gone. Oh. Yes. Thank you. Yeah, absolutely. I think the fact that my birthday, we started the promotion on my... Look at this amazing person. My most favorite person. Thank you so much. Hi, nice to meet you. Hi, nice to meet you. Come up and sorry, what was this? Yeah, so I think it was the most amazing birthday gift because my birthday, and I thought of it as something very special, especially when it's not planned like that, but when it just happens like that. So I woke up in the morning, and I think I Instagrammed or I tweeted, I was like, it was my birthday, but it was also like the first day of the promotional tour. It just made my day even more special. And then all of them kept dropping surprises every now and then, cakes and flowers, and Vin sang for me. So yeah. Yes, he's unwell. Shah Rukh's unwell. I hope he gets well soon, and I hope I can see him tonight or tomorrow before I head back. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Working with Deepika has been such a pleasure and such a joy, and I am so honored to be here in Mumbai to present the return of Xander Cage.
How was it dancing on Indian song?
That's what we have to do. More dancing. More dancing.
Can you click a picture with all of us on that side?
Yeah, he'll pick it from you.
Blessed to be here. Thank you, India. Thank you for showing us so much love. One more time, guys, for the world. Shukriya.
Then just one.
हैप्पी न्यू ईयर, हैप्पी न्यू ईयर। कुछ सुनाई नहीं दे रहा है, थोड़ा चिल्लाइए। थैंक यू। यस, ऑफ कोर्स। Hello. Firstly, hello everybody. Very good evening to you all. Very happy New Year to you all. I hope you all have a happy and prosperous New Year. I am very, very excited for tonight. Big old premiere. Some special guests in town. The premiere of Triple X, starring Deepika, who is a very special co-actor of mine, and I'm looking forward to watching the movie.
Do you think you feel pride for representing India in international level?
Yes, of course. She's an extremely gifted actor and an amazing movie star, somebody who I admire, and I'm extremely proud of her.
Do you think this is a perfect birthday gift for her?
Yeah, I mean her birthday was a few days ago, but I'm glad they're having this premiere and that they're releasing in India a week before the global release. I think it's fantastic, and I'm a huge fan of the franchise, and I'm looking forward to seeing this installment. It's very exciting to see her in the Triple X franchise.
Bollywood से Vin Diesel, how will you interact? What will you do?
I don't know, man. I'm just gonna meet him and take it as it comes.
रणवीर, बॉलीवुड में तो आपकी और दीपिका की केमिस्ट्री बहुत अच्छी है।
जी।
विन डीजल के साथ कैसी लगी आपको केमिस्ट्री?
मेरी
दीपिका की और विन की?
वेल, प्रोमोज में तो अच्छी लग रही है केमिस्ट्री। अब देखेंगे, पिक्चर देख के बताएंगे आपको। See, I'm always exploring and wanting, willing and very excited to explore new avenues, new opportunities, try out new things. So yeah, hopefully with the right opportunity, I will do work with people from all over the world. It would be a very enriching experience for me.
Any actress? One last question. Any actress you would like to work with in Hollywood?
Deepika Padukone, Priyanka Chopra. हाँ जी जी। आपकी आवाज को क्या हुआ है? आप इतने एक्साइटेड हैं कि आपकी आवाज नींद नहीं निकल रही है। हाँ जी, बोलिए ना।
New face of thumbs up.
यस, थैंक यू। मैं क्या बोलूँ, मैं हूँ तूफानी। यस, वेरी वेरी एक्साइटिंग, वेरी प्राउड thing for me in my career to have been signed up by an iconic brand like Thumbs Up, and I feel extremely proud, and I'm really happy that the ad has been appreciated, and I hope the association is a most wonderful one. Thank you.
आगे आइए। Please be silent behind.
Congratulations to Viacom for making this kind of a breakthrough here in bringing the East and the West together. And I wish them all the luck and hope it's an exciting experience.
गिरेगा गिरेगा, मैंने यहाँ रखा है। ठीक है, आप आ जाइए, आप अंदर आ जाइए, आप अंदर आइए।
Come, we'll do this together only, no? We'll do this together. Come. Come. No, as in we are really, I am really looking forward to it. Huma will speak for herself. I am a huge action film fan, so I am really looking forward. Vin Diesel का fan हूँ, I really like Deepika का भी fan हूँ, so I am really looking forward. Thinking कि यार an Indian actor is doing such a big part in a Hollywood film, so we all looking forward to it.
मैं तो बहुत ज़्यादा खुश हूँ, उत्साहित हूँ, क्योंकि आई थिंक दीपिका पादुकोण बहुत कमाल की एक्ट्रेस है, हमारी लीडिंग स्टार है, एंड वी वेरी प्राउड ऑफ हर दैट शी इज डूइंग सच अ लवली फिल्म, एंड आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड टू सी हर इन द फिल्म। जी जी बिल्कुल, बहुत सारी फिल्में आने वाली हैं।
बहुत सारी
मतलब अभी अभी आएंगी, मतलब इस साल होपफुली फॉर बोथ ऑफ अस इनफैक्ट लुक्स लाइक अ गुड ईयर. वी हैव अ कपल ऑफ रिलीजेस ईच एंड फिंगर्स क्रॉस्ड यार. अब आएंगी तो सबसे पहले
I wanna
आलोक
go inside
आपको
watch
ही
the
पता
film
चलेगा
now.
ना. आलोक तुम्हें किसने छोड़ा है. See you guys, thank you.
Question?
हाँ जी.
One by one, please.
यस. हैप्पी न्यू ईयर आपको भी. आपका गला खराब हो गया क्या? मैं दोनों का जवाब दे देता हूँ. आई थिंक बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ, ट्रिपल एक्साइटेड हूँ ट्रिपल एक्स देखने के लिए. एंड दीपिका पादुकोण उसमें स्टार कर रही है, बहुत बड़ी. आई थिंक it's a very big thing for all of us also that she's a part of a Hollywood movie and Vin Diesel यहाँ पर है and ये फिल्म देखने का excitement और बढ़ गया है. So I'm really happy. I'm looking forward to the series, to the film and I've been a fan of Fast and Furious series. I've been a fan of Deepika Padukone तो and Triple X as well. I mean Vin Diesel. तो Vin Diesel सारी चीज़ें एक साथ एक ही फिल्म में देखने को मिल रही है तो I'm really excited.
आपको पता है अभी दीपिका ने डीजल को भी लुंगी डांस कराया.
अच्छा ओके. तो बहुत अच्छा किया उन्होंने. दीपिका पादुकोण जी ने विन डीजल को लुंगी डांस कराया. दैट इज़ अ गुड थिंग एंड